Today, I'm gonna show you how to start making money from using Couponia and your social media profiles. So I'm gonna show you how you can promote Couponia products on your social media to start making money. So first of all, you will need to log into Couponia, and the home page will look like this after you log in. And all you're gonna do, you're gonna go to products, and you will just scroll to see which products align with your audience most, and try to copy the link just like this. Let me find something else. Let me copy this one, and then you will go to your social media you want to promote your products to, whether WhatsApp, whether Facebook, and all you're gonna do, you just have to go and post the link. Wait a second. Just like this, and wait for the preview, and then you hit next. Maybe if you are in some groups, you can share to the groups, and done. So here's the post now, and after people see your post on maybe Facebook, for example, and they click the link, they're gonna reach the product page. Like this one is a service, so they can fill the form, or just even submit the email. As long as someone requests a service with your form, there are different prices for different offers, and you're gonna get 10%. I repeat, that's 10% of the money they have paid. For example, let's say a service of $200, you're gonna get $20. A service of $29, you're gonna get $2.09. A service of $1,000, of course, you're gonna get $100. It's a 10% commission, and I hope it's fine. So all you're gonna do, if you haven't created a Couponia account, here's the link for Couponia. Search couponia.alreflections.net. If you have your account, go to Couponia and then log in, and then go to products and select the products you want, so that you can start copying the links and promoting them through your social media profiles to actually start making money from your social media, from the audience you have. So I guess this is enough for today, and next time I'm gonna make a video to show you, for those who have websites, how you can integrate Couponia products into your website even without using any complicated APIs. Yes, the APIs are around. Couponia has some APIs, but there is also a way to integrate Couponia products into your website even without using any complicated API. So that's what I will show you, and after that we will also see how to use the APIs, and I will also share many other ways to make money online, because only one revenue stream can't be enough for you to actually grow and be sustainable from online. So I hope that's enough for today. So take your time, go through it, and then of course subscribe, because I have a lot to share with you in the coming days.
Right, left, every breath means I ain't left yet.